Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy M15. In complementation we have only cable Type-C to Type-C, full complementation, and device in the blue color. Okay. On the front side we have display 6.5 inch, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, on this side power button and volume button, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, open settings, One UI 6.1 Android 14, Knox 3.10. We have display Full HD Plus resolution, Super AMOLED 90 Hz. Open Geekbench 6, talk about system information. We have Dimensity 6100 Plus CPU and GPU AMOLED G57. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay. AnTuTu benchmark results. Okay. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. Video we have recording Full HD 40 fps. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.